Is Princess Diana buried in this church? It's rumoured that Diana is in there. Yes guys, so welcome to another video. Today I'm in the small village of Great Brington and I'm heading to their village church. And there's a story that Princess Diana is actually buried here. We'll see if we can find any evidence of that. Wow. These are very, very old graves. So yeah, this is where the Spencer family have their plot, and it's thought that Diana was taken from Althorp at night time and was brought here to be buried with her family because she's supposed to be, I believe, at Althorp House. (1757). Wow. We've got some old graves here, people. So this is a really old cemetery with lots and lots of old headstones. Right, let's head over to the back and work our way forward to the house. Wow. Ooh, we got some inscriptions on here. Can't really read the date though. So these headstones would have been put here after they did some work on the ground. Maybe they put a path in, regrassed, returfed. So that's what they do, they take up the headstones. It's really nice, really nice. Very nice. Good morning.
Hello there.
Morning. So behind me is a car park and there's people everywhere now. (1918). These graves over here look cool. I don't want to get stung though. 1901. (2014). Ronald Long, he's an artist. Oh. These are 2000s graves by the looks of some of these. I like these, they're nice. If you just look at all the colour and the decay, cool. You've got the white mould or whatever that is, some sort of fungus growing on the orangey tint of concrete headstone. Brilliant. I really hope they don't have like some coffee morning now. That's cool. Look at that. Mary White. That's a weird colour. 1870 something. I'm going to go inside the church. I think it's open. Tombstone of Lawrence Washington, great-great-great-great-grandfather of George Washington, first resident of the United States. He was buried here in December 1616. Wow. So that's the Spencer family vault in there. It's rumoured that Diana is in there. Let's have a look if I can see the spot. So down there is the entrance to the crypt. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's alarmed. So that's obviously the Spencer family crypt, as I was trying to say, inside. Very quietly there, because there was people in there. So officially, Princess Diana's final resting place is in the grounds of Althorp Park, her family home. The original plan was for her to be buried in the family vault at the local church in nearby Great Brington, but this was changed by her brother Earl Spencer. So the conspiracy is that she was removed at night time from Althorp and taken to this cemetery and buried with her family. So the entrance to the crypt is on a stone which has a large iron ring. How you get in there? It's obviously very heavily guarded. It has alarms in. Don't know if you read the notices. It says, please do not put your hands through the gate, through the bars, as this is alarmed. All the past generations of family members are in there. Why wouldn't Diana be in there? Do you really think Earl Spencer decided to say, nah, Diana, you're not going with the rest of the family, you're going to stay here at Althorp? I don't know. It's a conspiracy, isn't it? That's what it's about. Questions, questions, and questions. Will Earl Spencer be buried in this vault? Or will he stay in Althorp as well? It's just weird. But maybe if you have Diana buried at Althorp House, the legacy of her lives on. The visitation to the house lives on. The business lives on. Could it be that easy? Or am I just being cynical? But it is a very beautiful place. I've never seen a vault like that before. Very, very well. I can't believe there's alarms inside a church. But hey ho. It's all good. But yes, guys, I came out to find Diana, and unfortunately I failed. Did not find Diana. But hopefully you've enjoyed this little walk around, and make sure you like the video, subscribe if you are new. Both of those cost absolutely nothing. They are free, so that would really help me out, really show support to me if you could do those things. I really appreciate everybody that shows support in any way, whether it's subscribing, liking a video, commenting. I thank you so much. But yes, guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I will see you on another video. See you later. So all behind the Great Brington Church Cemetery, churchyard, is actually Althorp House. I didn't realise it was that close. That's crazy. So you can see why people would think that Diana was moved at night time just a few hundred yards down the road. Crazy, absolutely crazy. But a great conspiracy. One that we will never know.